In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the orientation of pages in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Whether you want a temporary change just for viewing purposes or a permanent modification to the document, I'll walk you through both processes step by step. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about rotating the view temporarily. This method is perfect if you're simply looking to change how you view the document on your screen without altering the underlying file. To do this, open your document in either Acrobat Reader or Acrobat. Once you have your document open, navigate to the top menu and click on View. From there, select Rotate View. You'll see options to rotate your document either clockwise or counterclockwise by 90-degree increments. Choose the direction that suits your needs. Remember, you can repeat this step as many times as necessary to get your desired orientation. Keep in mind that this change is not saved to the PDF itself. It only affects how you see the document during your current session. Now, if you need a permanent solution, you'll want to rotate the pages so that the document itself is modified. This is useful if you constantly find yourself needing the pages in a different orientation or if you're preparing the document to be printed or shared. For a permanent rotation, start by opening the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Go to the Tools menu and click on Organize Pages. This will open a new window where you'll see thumbnails of each page in your document. Here you have the flexibility to select the pages you want to rotate. You can click on individual thumbnails to select specific pages, or if you're working with a large document, you can drag to select a range of pages. With your pages selected, use the rotate buttons in the Organize Pages toolbar. You'll be able to rotate them clockwise, counterclockwise, or even flip them 180 degrees to achieve the precise layout you need. Once you're satisfied with the new orientation, don't forget to save the document. This step is crucial because it ensures that your changes are applied and preserved in the PDF file. And that's it. You've now learned how to rotate PDF pages both temporarily and permanently in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your PDF management needs. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.